Hi guys, I want to share this with you. This is the iPhone 13 with a genuine screen. We can set up Face ID and now it works perfectly. Power off the phone and remove screen. Take off genuine sensor microphone flex. Install it to another original screen. Assemble new screen on iPhone 13 and power on. Then very bad things happen. We can see a warning message pop out, and the Face ID stop working anymore. Meanwhile, the TrueTime function lost. Face ID will stop working after screen replacing, unless you go to Apple or authorize the store, because even we try to reset the Face ID, it still not work. Apple just killed third-party repair. What do you think?